Shiba is making the moves as we speak. What's going on here and why did it go up so fast? What are the targets? We're going to discuss everything. So first of all, we are in SHIB USDT. It's the most traded pair on Binance and we are on the daily chart. I want to zoom out a little bit. And here's what we have ever since Binance listed. So around this time was the all-time high. Shiba was going up a lot. So the price was basically zero around here. And then it went up, went down a little bit, and then it went up again. And Binance listed because the coin was pumping. It went to all-time high around 5,000. How do you call this? Shiboshi. I'm just going to call it Shiboshi. And around this time, the developer of Shiba Inu gave 50% of the Shiba Inu tokens to Vitalik Buterin from Ethereum. What he did with the coins was a bit controversial. He gave 10% or 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins to India Fund Relief, and he burned the 90% of the tokens that he got. And what did the India Fund did? They sold. And of course, the market did not like this because we had all these massive sells coming from the India Fund, which was basically party pooper all this time. If we zoom in a little bit, we can see that every time the Shiba was doing a pump, the India Fund would just sell. You can see on the spikes in volume here and here and here. It was basically a party pooper all the time selling. Here, the price went almost to 500. People were giving up. And a very interesting thing happened here. This spike was when Coinbase listed. So we had a big spike in volume, but the India Fund was still party pooping. They sold pretty much everything, every single token. And around this time, they announced they have sold everything. And I got very interested because the India COVID Fund was what was holding Shiba back. 50 trillion Shiba Inu is not a joke. What happened here? I looked at this price and I look at the chart and you see the India Fund was selling, but the price didn't really fall. It was stable. And it was kind of like for months, for 3-4 months, it was stable, doing absolutely nothing. And I was like, okay, this is going up. So I started buying at 750 all the way to 700. The price was going down a little bit, and then we really started to see this growth. Around 750, I did my position on Binance futures with leverage because I saw the potential. I wanted more Shiba Inu coins, and I will show the position in a second. And finally, we had this massive spike yesterday, and today it's still going on strong. The momentum is here, the volume is here. I see a lot of potential. And let's zoom out a little bit. This is the daily chart, as I said. I already traced the Fibonacci from the all-time high to the all-time low on Binance, which is 500, and we see it almost reach this first target, the first Fibonacci level. And I would be extremely, extremely surprised if we at least don't touch here. I would be shocked if we don't go to this level. I think it's almost guaranteed. Of course, I don't have a crystal ball, but let's say, I'm not saying it's going to this point, but it's going to this point. And this is not financial advice, by the way. You should do your own research, but I'm just speculating here. So if we go up all the way to 2,200 and we break through this resistance, what we can expect? Then I would expect us to go all the way to 3,282, around the 618 Fibonacci level. And here, I think we're going to see some strong resistance for sure. We might retrace all the way back to 2000s and then having strength to go even further. But what if you are a greedy boy or greedy girl? What's the next target if we go all the way to all-time highs and if we break the all-time highs? If there's one thing that works in crypto is Fibonacci. So I would expect Shiba to reach this target. If we break the all-time highs, this would be the next target to watch. 7777, nice number there. What if we break the 777? Well, the next target would be here on the 2618. This would be insane. This is like almost 1000% from the price we are here today. And if you are even more greedy, if you want more, this is what the next target would look like. 16,700, and the final Fibonacci target, it would be 19,500. Are we going here? I have no idea. But the volume is here. The trend is here. The people are posting everywhere. People are excited about it. I am excited about it. I think we're going a very long way. And I think this is a coin with the most potential for the next 3 months. Here we are on Binance Futures. This is the 1 minute chart. Oh, look at that. We just broke the 15,000. Very cool stuff. Very excited about it. I have a position of 1 billion Shiba. Entry price was around 750, like I said. Yeah, I saw the potential. I wish I did like 2 billion instead of 1 billion, but 1 billion is good enough. We're almost going at the new high, and by the time I post this video, we might have already crossed it. The important thing here is that you keep your leverage low. My liquidation price is at 6,000, and I have extra tether that I can just send here to reduce this liquidation more if required, because you don't want to be liquidated on Shiba Inu. This might get crazy very, very soon, and it's going up much faster than what I was expecting. This is the 1 hour chart, and you can see things are getting crazy very, very fast. I'm holding this for 10x gains, maybe 20x, maybe even 50x. We'll see. Oh, and by the way, this volume here is only on Binance. On Coinbase, the volume is actually more than double, which I find it very strange because on Coinbase, the fees are much higher. If you still don't have a Binance account, I strongly recommend you to change to Binance. You will save a lot of money. And by the way, I have a link in the description. You will get 10% off your trading fees on Binance for life. So make use of that, and I will see you in the next Shiba Inu update.